At the Culinary Arts program, these hornets are usually buzzing to make food for the hive, but today, they're preparing.
My name is Grace Dillon. I am in 12th grade and I've been doing culinary arts. This is my second year.
I'm Brody Paselk. I'm from Milan High School. I'm a senior. I just started the culinary class this year.
These students are preparing for the Skills USA Regional Culinary Arts Championship.
We've been preparing by practicing with what exactly we're going to be baking. Like yesterday we were working on our pie dough and putting that into the shells.
I'm working on my timing and my ingredient gathering.
These students have been competing locally at Saline High School throughout the year, but this is some of the students' first chance to compete in a regional competition.
My favorite part about the competition is just sort of being able to deepen my understanding of baking and learn more concepts to strengthen my knowledge of baking.
Working with the chefs, being social, getting to learn all these skills, and the fact that I'm actually enjoying it, I'm having fun. I can see my improvements, I can see what I'm working towards.
Good luck to the chefs and bakers going to the competition. Back to you at the studio.